Welcome to Budgie Life Care. Well, fitting a bird nest can be a really tricky job, especially if you're the type of owner who really don't want your birds to be tamed. If you want to tame your bird, you'll find it in our channel. So today, we're gonna fit a bird nest without letting your birds fly away. Let's get started. All you need is a nest. You can find in your local pet shop. Make sure to check the type of wood and nails that may be pokey and may harm your bird. Then you'll be needing filling. It is not important of getting the same kind as we have. It can be of paper, tissue paper, etc. First, we'll fill up the nest with the filling. Here we have the nest. And here is the filling. Let's cut using scissors. You don't have to fill the whole packet, you should only make a layer of it. And spread it evenly. Here's a complete wheel. Let's begin. First, if a nest isn't going through the door of the cage, you need to open the cage. This you'll do super slowly so that you don't startle up your birds. Before you open the cage, make sure to close all windows and doors, cover any escape areas and mirrors. When you have put in the nest inside, put your hand inside and pick up the nest and slowly move it to the place where you want to. You will see two hooks on either side. You're supposed to hook them on the cage. Make sure they're hooked up nicely and steady. And voila! And here you have it, your bird nest that your bird will obviously love it. The bonus is we are starting shoutouts this week, and for your name or channel to be here, you need to comment down cured, watch all the videos, and subscribe.